The steam hissed. The machines screamed. At 13, Andrew Carnegie's hands were already blistered from tying threads in a Pittsburgh cotton mill. He worked 12 brutal hours a day for just $1.20 a week. Most kids collapsed after shifts. But Andrew wasn't most kids. One freezing Saturday, exhausted and covered in factory lint, he spotted a small sign on a building, Colonel Anderson's Library, free to working boys. In that moment, everything shifted. While other boys slept or played, Andrew made a radical decision. He sacrificed his only free time, Saturday afternoons, to teach himself. He devoured every book he could touch. History, science, poetry. He taught himself to write. He taught himself how the world worked. In a city where he was just another poor immigrant with calloused hands, books gave him something nobody could steal. Knowledge. That choice changed everything. When a telegraph office needed a messenger, Andrew wasn't just fast, he was informed. When railroads needed leaders, he understood systems because he'd read about them. The boy who tied threads became the man who built steel empires, not because he worked harder, but because he chose to learn when others chose to rest.